Hello, second grade. Today we are going to review using capital letters. So you are going to need your whiteboard and your marker because you are going to help me fill out a worksheet. Okay, let's read at the top of the page. It says, using capital letters. Days of the week, months of the year, and holidays begin with capital letters. Okay, read this example out loud on your own right here. It says, this year, the 4th of July is on Wednesday. So notice how the 4th of July is the name of a holiday, so it is capital. And then Wednesday is a day of the week, so it is also capital. Okay, when else do we use capital letters? Titles for people begin with capital letters. Okay, read this example on your own out loud where it says Mrs. It says, Mrs. DJ Davis invited us to a picnic. So here, Mrs. is capital because it is the title of a person. That is exactly the same as when you write Miss Paula, Miss Cassidy, and Miss Brenner. Those Miss, those all need to be capital because that is the title of our name. Okay, so here is where you need your whiteboard and your marker. We are going to complete all of this together. It looks like a lot, but it really isn't. Please read the directions along with me, okay? It says, find the words that need capital letters. Write the words correctly on the line. So go ahead and read number 1 out loud. It says, on Monday, we went to Mr. Jung's grocery store. Okay, so I am going to give you a hint. There are 2 words that should be capitalized and they didn't do it. So write those 2 words that should be capital on your whiteboard. Okay, the 2 words you should have written were Monday and Mr. Monday is a day of the week, so it has to be capital, and Mr. is the title of a person, so it also has to be capital. I want you to write out that whole sentence correctly on your whiteboard. You can pause the video so that you have time to do that, okay? This is what your new sentence should look like. On Monday, we went to Mr. Jung's grocery store. Notice how all of the words that need to be capital are capital. Okay, number 2, read that out loud. It says, Mom and Miss Jones made potato salad on Tuesday. Another hint. There are 2 words that they did not capitalize, so you need to find those 2 words that need to be capital. Write those on your whiteboard. Okay, the 2 words should be Miss and Tuesday. Miss, again, is the title of a person. Tuesday is a day of the week. So write that whole sentence on your whiteboard the right way. And like I said, if you have to pause the video so you have time to do it, go ahead and do that. Your sentence should look like this. Mom and Miss Jones made potato salad on Tuesday. Okay, read number 3 out loud, please, where it says Dr. Webb. It says, Dr. Webb marched in the parade on Independence Day. Whew, okay. There are 3 words here that should be capital, and they are not. So write those 3 words on your whiteboard when you find them. The 3 words should be Dr. Independence Day. Okay, so again, doctor is the title of a person. Independence Day is the name of a holiday. Okay, so both of those need to be capital. Now write the whole sentence on your whiteboard the right way. Okay, you should have written the whole sentence on your whiteboard now. And your sentence should look like this. Dr. Webb marched in the parade on Independence Day. Please read number 4 out loud. It says, the 4th of July is another name for Independence Day. Okay, so 2nd grade, I see 4 words that need to be capital. So write those 4 words on your whiteboard. The 4 words should have been 4th July, Independence Day. So notice, the 4th of July is a holiday, so these words need to be capital. Not only is that all the name of a holiday, but July is the name of a month of the year. So July also needs to be capital. And then before we had said Independence Day is the name of a holiday, so both of those words must start with a capital letter. Okay, I would like for you to write that whole sentence correctly on your whiteboard. Like I said before, pause this video if you need time. Your sentence should look like this. The 4th of July is another name for Independence Day. Nice job. Okay, almost done. Read number 5 out loud. It says, I wish there were parades in June and August too. So, there are 2 words that should be capital. Write those 2 words on your board. The 2 words you should have written on your whiteboard were June and August. Both June and August are the names of a month of the year. So those have to be capital. Okay, now I want you to write this last sentence on your whiteboard the right way. The sentence should say, I wish there were parades in June and August too. Awesome! Nice job, my friends.